Strings are one of the most important concepts in Python programming language. Today we will learn two basics: how to reverse a string, how to check palindromes in the easiest way possible. At first, a string is a sequence of characters. For example, hello, madam, Python. In Python, string is very powerful and easy to work with. Now reverse a string. For example, input hello and output ole. We use slicing in Python. It's super easy. S double colon minus one means start from end and move backwards. Step equal minus one. So Python is doing the loop internally for us. Now palindrome check. Check if string is palindrome or not. For example, madam is a palindrome string and hello is not palindrome. The idea of palindrome string is compare original string with the reverse string. And here is the code. If original string and reverse string are same, it's palindrome. At the comment box, I will pin a bonus interview level idea for checking palindrome instead of reversing full string. So subscribe for more Python and coding videos that actually make programming easy. Thank you everyone.